Hey, well, I am trying to get off the Google ecosystem and I've just sold this Google Nest Home Hub on eBay. And now I've just remembered I need to reset to factory settings. So if you need to do it, right, you see the volume button on the back. You need to press the up and down together for 10 seconds. Now, let's see, one-handed, not ideal. Okay, let's see. So 1, 2, 3.
You're about to completely reset Google Home. To cancel, release the button.
Hear the beep. And off it goes. And then it'll just go through the reset process. And that's all you need to do to completely reset Google Home Nest Hub. If you're selling it or getting rid, de-Googling your life, good idea, I'd say. Like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in another video soon. I've got these videos to check out as well. See you there. Bye.